Welcome all of you. So today we are going to solve one more problem for June 2018. So this is part B question number 25. So what question says, define the sequence an. This is how they have defined. A1 is not equals to 1, and for every n greater than equals to 1 they have defined an plus 1 as a recurrence relation. An plus 1 is equals to minus 1 raised to n half, and in bracket they have mod an plus 2 by mod an. Okay, so they are asking whether lim sup an is root 2, limit an is root 2, limit inferior is minus infinity, superior of an is root. So by looking at the options, so when do we say limit an? So what is the relation between limit an and limit sup limit inferior? So if my limit superior and limit inferior both are equal, then we can write their common limit as limit an. Okay, so this is the relation between lim sup limit inferior and limit an. Okay, if both are same, then their common limit we denoted by limit an. Okay, so this is the basic you all must know. Okay, so let's begin the solution. So we all know that if my any sequence an is converts to L as n tends to infinity, okay, then what happens, all the other terms beyond n, means what, n plus k will also tends to L as n tends to infinity. Okay, so this is important. So suppose we are suppose our sequence an, so what they are asking, limit for an. Okay, in all four options they are asking limit for n. So suppose our an converges to L, then what happens, all the terms after an will also converge to the same limit. Okay, so if I take mod on both sides, I'll get an plus 1 equals to mod of minus 1 raised to n will be 1. Okay, so 1 by 2, so mod an plus 2 by mod an. Okay, so what is our n? N tends to L, then what happens, an plus k will also tend to, means what, an plus 1 will also tends to L. Okay, so this will also tends to L, 1 by 2, this will also tends to L plus, and this will also tends to L. Okay, now let's cross multiply this. L into L will be L square plus 2 by L, and this side we also have L. Okay, so this 2L will goes that side, it will become 2L square equals to L square plus 2. So this L square will go that side, so it will become L square equals to 2. So L square equals to 2 means what, L is either plus root 2 or minus root 2. So we are getting two different limit, means what, it has supremum as well as infimum. Okay, so limit superior is root 2 and limit inferior is minus 2. So see, we are getting different limit superior and limit inferior. Okay, if at all they are same, then we can write common limit as an. Okay, so obviously this is going to discard, this cannot be true because we are getting limit superior and inferior different. Okay, so limit an cannot be some common value. So how can, which option will be correct? Obviously first one. Okay, so limit supremum is thank you.